Hi everyone, welcome to the Google Cloud Best of Industry Summit. Now over the next 3 days, we're going to explore the latest digital innovations, unlock inspiration, and build knowledge and practical skills. Let me walk you through the navigation so you can make sure that you make the most of your day. Share ideas via our Q&A function.
So for you, the task is to bring this data together.
So it's been great seeing everyone participating in the quizzes and polls this week. How many hours can Google Workspace save per user per year on average? And the answer is D.
Let me introduce the 4 pillars of Google's digital supply chain platform.
Look at your business and try to understand what the problem is you're trying to solve.
But really, it's all about how Google and Alphabet are coming together and can be your platform for sustainability.
We see customers who more frequently order 1 to 3 hour delivery. They transact twice as much and they actually spend 4 times as much.
So this idea is very powerful that you can implement security policy consistently across a multi-cloud architecture.
So whether you're in retail, financial services, supply chain, or manufacturing, it's your moment. It's your moment to solve for the future.